Want bath? Which one wants bath? Huh? Do you guys want bath? I know you don't. The big one don't hates water. The little ones, they don't care. Ivan, hey, you want bath? He's ignoring me. You want bath? Short video. Let's try out bug and tar and speed wipe. All right, this turtle wax bug and tar remover works pretty decent. And then you got Chemical Guy Speed Wipe, because on the back it says it removes tar, and that's why we're gonna try it. And let's see. Let's try it on my silverware hot that I'm getting ready to do. We'll try both products. Now, anytime you're gonna use a you know, like especially a turtle wax, you're gonna remove the bug and tar. You're gonna want to re-wax it or seal it. You can see here I already did use the speed wipe. It's gonna be hard to see some of the tar. It did work. I mean, there's some of it, the hard tar, you know, that's been on there for a while, it didn't get it off. You have to really work at it, and you know, you'll get it off eventually, but with a lot of work. Now, if the tar was soft, like I had some up here, the speed wipe did get it off pretty good. You're not, that stinks, you're not gonna be able to see it on camera. The tar on there, it's rough, but you can see these spots right here. See that? Alright, let's try this one on the bottom. We'll try it with the speed wipe. Put it on there. I already had a Microsoft towel, a little pad, wet it. Another thing too, anything you use like this for removing your tar or stuff like that, or grease, with bug and tar remover or bugs, you know, only use these pads for that purpose. Don't use it for applying your sealant or wax. You know, put this separate so you have separate stuff on there, and it just makes your vehicle, you know, keeping it clean. Man, you got a scratch there. Alright, let's try to rub it out. Apply it some more. Got some of it. Keep it wet. Oh, I got some up there. We want to trust that out with the other stuff. Alright, see that right there? That's what we're aiming for. They got it. I took that piece off that was up there. Here's another one right there, a little one. Let's get some spray on there. It's real hard to see, probably for you guys in the camera, but that's gone. Yeah, it works. Like I said, if it's not too hard, it will work. Hasn't been on there a while. Even if it's not been there in a while, it seemed like it will take it off. Just a little bit of work, and that's the Speed White Chemical Guys. So I give it a thumbs up. Not bad. Works pretty good. Alright, where's my Microsoft towel here? I got one right there. If you can see it right there, I'm gonna wipe it off, get a clean spot. There it is. Now this one we're gonna use the turtle wax. Shake it up in a second. It's good to let it sit for a couple minutes. So right there it is. Boom. Yeah, same thing with Microsoft towel. You want to use the same ones for doing the same process, so you don't keep everything clean. I got tar like crazy on this thing. Look at that. Right here, here, up here, here. And it's going to take a while to just get the dang tar off of it. Oh well. Let's set that sit for I'll use the other side of the pad so I don't keep dirtying pads up. You guys see it? Gone. So yeah. So I would say, with that little test we just did, Speed Wipe from Chemical Guys does work. So if you washed it, doing it, you want to just detail spray it, you want to get some of the tar on the bottom of the car or anywhere, it does work. If it's been on there for a while, a little bit harder, it's a little bit harder to take off, but it does work. So thumbs up for Chemical Guys Speed Wipe for removing tar. And it says it on the back. You know, where's that? Quick and easy, remove bird droppings, road tar, dust from your vehicle. So, yep. Alright. Plus, Okay, turtle wax, bug and tar remover, definitely #1. That's what it says. #1 bug and tar. Works pretty good. Works better, faster than the speed wipe. So this hands down gonna work. What's up? And then thank everybody for watching this video, and give it a thumbs up, subscribe for watch all our other videos. We appreciate it. And next step will be applying the sealant. So look out for that video. You guys have a great day.